Why less? Okay. Anyway, good afternoon once again. Even though we will continue because people are driving slowly. I don't know why. Okay. Now, in continuation of last class, we discussing about relational algebra. Even we completed relational algebra, I assigned some tasks to you. Have you done all the queries, remaining 9 queries? Still any problem? No one has shared the solutions to my official mail. I have not received a single mail from you regarding the solutions of relational algebra queries. Have you done that? Very important. That is why I am asking again. If
Sir,
you
I
are
have
having, then
not
Anusha, tell
sure
me.
whether it is right.
Sorry, Anusha.
I have done that, sir, but I'm not
Hmm.
sure whether it is wrong, correct or right.
Yeah, Anusha, my side, maybe the problem with internet connectivity, again it is connected. Okay, no problem. Now you did, right? So that one by one you tell the answer. Remaining people will verify. Anything is there in that, we will complete this task. Because I told you, this is very important. Only one query, you can get 8 marks. So this is what exactly the important. And it is very important for your career for future also. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, do that. If possible, you can share your notes also. Whatever you written, you can share it if possible. Otherwise, you can tell.
I'll just say, sir.
Hmm. Okay, start. Second query. Who will tell? That is up to you, not only Anusha, everyone I am giving the things so that we will discuss, finalize the solution. Please.
Sir, if you share the screen, it will be better, sir. What I'm telling, if you write it on the screen, it will be
Shall I
better, I
write?
think.
Shall I
Yes,
write that?
yes, sir.
Okay. Why can't you share the screen, Anusha, instead of writing me?
Sir, actually, I'm using a mobile.
Oh, you are using mobile. Why? Mobile. Then
So
how
actually,
how
there
you
is
are working?
no power, sir. That's it. There's no charging in the laptop, so
Uh-huh. Okay, okay,
I'm
okay,
using
okay.
mobile.
No problem, Anusha. These cases I can accept. Don't worry. Okay. Means, Anusha, you are giving assignment to me also, right?
Sir, not like that, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I can do that. Just kidding. Okay, right. Yeah, I will share. I will take MP. Yeah, is it visible? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I read the question now? I think first question is done, right?
Yes, first question is,
Already I given the solution, right? Coming to second, here I am telling everyone, really if you are done, happy. If you are not done, please note it down. Anything is change is there, you can ask. And second answer, she will tell. Third answer, if anyone is there, also you can tell the answer, not a problem. Not only Anusha, everyone equal priority. You learn, she done, then maybe she is good. But most of the people also done. That is very, very good for us, and that is very helpful for your career. Please, right. Uh, the second question is, shall I type the question here? Not required, right? Already I shared that question also, just in the last
Yes, sir,
slide.
we are having the question.
Everyone is having. Okay, again I am reading the second question. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. Question I am repeating. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. Here. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. Means here, again I am explaining all the question also I will explain. Find the names of sailors. Means we have to display the sailor name. Yeah. So we are going to display the sailor name. Who have reserved a red boat. Means the sailor is going to reserving their boats, but that boat must be colored with red. Here, who is reserved this red boat? That means is there you need to check is there any relation between sailors and boats? Check. Is there any common column? Tell me. From sailors to boats, is there any common column?
No.
Hello? No. So that we cannot provide any relationship. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so that we need one more table also we need to include, that is the reserves. Now we have relationship between reserves from sailors and reserves from boats. So that we can add, so that we have to join these three tables. So based on that we have to create the query. Correct, Anusha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because we don't have direct relationship between sailors to boats. So that we have to join sailors to reserves, reserves to boat. From boats, we have to take the color is equal to red. This is the procedure. Now, even though again you divide your query into two parts. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. Who have reserved a red boat. First of all, we have to go with find the boats, red boats. Later you join with reserves. Later with you joins with boats. Like that, sailors. Like that, finally you select the sailor name. Yeah, this is what exactly. You have to go with internal, next external, next external. In that way, you need to solve the query. Now tell me the, Anusha, tell me the second answer.
Yes, sir. First, pi s name.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Pi of S
S
name.
name.
Very good.
Open the bracket.
Okay.
Sigma.
Sigma.
Color is equals to red. To the bottom, color is equals to red.
Color equal to red.
Both natural join reserves, natural join sailors.
Boats. Now this must be joined with the reserves.
As well as sailors.
National joined with the right answer. 100% right. Sailors. I have understood this query. Still any doubt is there in the second query? All of you. All of you understood this second query. Hello? This class is not only for Anusha. This class is for all. Have you understood second query or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Then third query you need to try now. The second query, even I am going to explain again. The question is, find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. So ultimately, we are going to display the only the sailor names. But those sailors must be reserved a red boat. So means first of all you need to write the internal first. What is that internal? We need to find the red color boat. That is why here red color boat. The condition we have to select particular boards, red board, so that select operation sigma color equal to red of boards. Yes. Now from boards I will selected only red color boards, but I want to display the sailor names. But boards from boards to sailors there is no relationship. So that we need to have we have relationship with reserves, and from reserves to sailors is there. So that I have to join with reserves. Then joining data, common data, that is the natural data will come. From reserves again it will be joined sailors. So finally we'll get only the sailors who have reserved red color board. Finally I want to display the only sailor name out of that. Then finally only sailor names will be displayed who have reserved red board. This is the way we can solve the query. Here first solve the internal, next external. Like that we have to do so that we can solve. Here if you start from five, from here we have to solve. It is a wrong way of solving. But representation from left to right, but solving from right to left means internal query you need to design based on the condition. Next external, next external. This is the way. Clear everyone? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I am going to ask third question. You know everyone already. I shared questions also. The third question, please, other than Anusha, I am expecting answer from other than Anusha. Third question, find the colors, find the colors of boats reserved by lubber. Find the colors of boats reserved by lubber. It is also almost same answer, but people will confuse. Nothing is there. Find the colors of boats reserved by lubber. What is the meaning? The lubber is reserved. The lubber is the sailor name. He reserved some of the boats, but you find the what are the color of boats reserved by lubber. You need to do that. If there is no relationship again from sailor table to reserve boats table, then we have to include reserves also. In that way, you need to join three with conditional. Now tell me the answer. Any one of you? Sir, tell me, no one is responding. Hello? Find the colors of boats reserved by Lubber. Hello? I given time for practicing, even though you are not responding. It is very important, yeah, very simple also. Are you practicing or not now? Is this my voice is audible? Hello?
Sir.
Hello? Is this my voice is audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Yeah, yeah. Now, please do it. Saurabh has written something. If you are written now, this message is visible now, everyone. Chat box.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it is
sir.
visible.
Yeah, yeah. Check. Is this a right answer? He has written pi. Pi means pi. Okay. Pi of color sigma S name equal to number of zeros join with result. Yes, 100% right. Right answer. Correct. Anusha, is this right or wrong?
Sir, actually, in place of name, I have kept SID is equals to 31.
Sorry.
Sir, in place of name, S name,
Hmm.
I've written sigma SID is equals to 31.
Why, Anusha? Why? Tell me the
Sir,
reason.
actually, in the reserves table, very few of them have are having the both reserves, sir. So when it comes to
No,
Laban, he has reserved 3 boats. However, his ID will be same. So that's the reason I have taken SID.
no, Anusha. No, because
Okay, I'll
the
correct my
clear.
mistake.
Yeah, Anusha. That is what the discussions will not don't take as a mistake because discussion will give more clarity. Here, find the colors of boats reserved by Lubber. Here, the question itself they clearly mentioned. Here, I want to know the Lubber is reserved for which color boats the Lubber is reserved. The Lubber, whatever the boats are reserved, so many colors of boats, but I want only the colors of boats. Whatever the colors of boats he has reserved. That is what the result they need. So that here they never mentioned that ID of the particular person. Sure, if you write ID again, what you told? ID means number ID you told, right?
Yes, sir.
31, right? Yeah. Sir, how I know that 31 is the number ID? Again, I need to write one more query to find the number ID. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Again, we are confusing. Your means your query is going to confuse. Sir, if I write number ID equal to that 30, 23, 23, right? 31 means
Yes.
I must know the 31 of Labrador. But here in the question they are not mentioned 31. The question they mentioned very clearly Labrador. Means I know only the Labrador, I know only the Labrador. So that I want to display only the reserved boats reserved by Labrador. So that here if you go with SID again one more query you need to write, select the Labrador, display the Labrador SID. After getting the number SID, then again you write this query. Now it is taking two queries. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why instead of writing two queries, one query you can solve. Saurabh, your answer is right. Why you are texting instead of typing? Everyone is visible this? Saurabh, whatever he has written, is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Please.
good. Please try to work out on that. Now coming to the next query, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Can anyone tell us? Yeah. Find the names of sailors. The fourth query. Please try to solve any other than these two people. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Means, here, the first of all, you must understand the question. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Means, sometimes some sailors cannot reserve the boat also. Chances are there or not. All sailors not, we cannot tell here, like you, all students are not solving the problems. All students are solving the problems, all the cases. No, the same way, all the sailors are not going to reserve the boats. So that I want to know the sailors who have reserved at least one boat, minimum. But sailor may be reserved one boat, two boat, n number of boats, n number of times. But I want at least he has reserved or not. The reserved boat sailors I want to know. Names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Very easy actually. The question is somewhat complex. The answer is very easy. Yeah, even yes, type Saurabh has given a question also in the chat box. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Quickly. Anyone? No. Anusha or Saurabh or anyone?
Sir, I'm not sure about my answer, but
Not a problem,
I have
Anusha.
written something.
Not a problem.
Shall I say my answer, sir?
Yes. I will write.
I have written
Tell me.
pi S name,
Yes, phi of S name.
open the bracket, boats.
Sorry, boats.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Left outer join.
Left out
In
of
the
that.
left of it.
Okay.
Reserves, natural join, sailors.
Sorry. Reserves.
Reserves, natural join, sailors.
Can you justify your answer?
So what I thought was we need a person name who have at least one boat. All the boat IDs will be there in the boats table. So when we take the left outer join, the table, so the left side table, all the information will be will get all the information of the left side table, right? So when we compare them with reserves and sailors, the BIDs will be get compared with the reserves tables BID, and from there the SIDs will combine with sailors tables IDs, and from there S name we will get S name. That's what I thought.
You are maybe the depth level you think maybe you got this answer in depth. I think you are actually this not that much. The answer is very simple actually. Okay. Anyway, you tried not good. Okay, but this much query is not required. The justification also okay, but the thing is this much is also not required. Very simple way you can solve. Logically you think. Next, anyone? Remaining people, if it is wrong, also not a problem. Yeah, here he is telling very nicely whatever it is. If it is wrong, also what is the problem? You will learn. Why should I did like this? Why it is not right? Why it is not right? Everything you can understand. Any other?
Maybe sailors right outer join results.
Sorry, Anusha, can you repeat? Sailor?
Right, right outer join the result.
Your voice is not clear, I think. Your voice is not clear. Any other one? Any other? Saurabh, Chandana, Abhilash, Anusha is texted. Five his name, sailors, right outer giant, results. Now you came to the nearer. Anusha, your answer is almost right. The second answer. Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, almost right. Sure, I will tell you. Here the question is, again I am reading the question. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. Means, here when we are going to join these two tables, what will get? Hello? When we are going to
The
join these
names
two
which
tables,
would coincide with the
sailors, reserves, reserve table. Sailors, joint, reserve table. What will get? What will get?
only the common names will be displayed.
Common SIDs from year to year will display. Sir, what is the meaning of this? SIDs is there in the reserve table. What is the meaning? Whatever the SIDs are there in the reserve table, what is the meaning? Hello?
Common column.
No. My question is, in this reserve table, SIDs are there. What is the meaning? If SIDs are there in the reserves table, what is the meaning?
That particular sailors have reserved a boat.
Reserve the boat. Yeah, this 22 is reserved, 22 also reserved, 22 again reserved. Means 101, 102, 100 boats are reserved by 22. 22, 104 also reserved. Like this means if SIDs are there in the reserve table, compulsory these SIDs already reserved the table. Means when I am going to join sailors table to reserve table, only based on the common column. What is that? SID. Means the outcome will come only same. If 22 is there, then it will come. 29 is there 29? No. So that the record never come. Yes or no? When I am going to join these two tables, 29 never come because it is not there in the reserves. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Now so that here don't go beyond simple. Here when I am going to join these two tables, what are those?
Sailors and reserves.
Sailors, national join with reserves. Will come only the people who are reserved. But I want only the sailor name. So that out of that we can take project only S name. Clear? This is 54. Clear?
That's
Hello?
fourth one, sir.
Hello? Is this clear? I'm not getting a response from you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Now coming to, please try to solve here. If you are simply listening like a watching movie, what is the use? No use. So I will solve this 50 question. Remaining question you are going to solve and you are going to submit in the next, I think Monday. Yes? Sure? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
you do it. Everything I will do, then what is your role, please? The fifth question, find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red or a green boat. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red or a green boat. Tell me, anyone of tell me the answer.
Pi S name.
Wait, I am writing. Phi of S name,
Sigma color is equals to red.
sigma of color equal to red. Of board, sir.
And natural join.
Sorry,
Natural join reserves. Natural join sailors.
natural join results. Natural join.
Sailors.
Okay,
Close the bracket.
okay.
Union.
Yeah.
Union.
Now understood, Ansha. Your answer is right.
Okay.
Union, union. Tell me.
Choice of color. We have to put green.
Sorry. Union. After union, what should
Same
I
as
write?
others.
Huh?
Union pi S name of
Hmm.
board.
Very good. You mentioned that. That's all. By his name,
Sigma color is equals to green.
sigma color equal to green. Same asking, right?
As above.
Good. Very good. Nice. This is what nothing is there. This is only the mathematical things. Just use the some brain. Sometimes you use some common sense, you will get the answers. Reserves and trailers. Yeah, so this is 8 marks you will get. Instead of writing oh big story, this query is very simple if you understood. All of you clear this? Hello? The sixth one. All of you clear this query. If you are having any doubt, ask us. No response for this also. All of you clear this query? Even
Yes. Yes, sir.
Saurabh also extend. Please check Saurabh answer is right or wrong once. Phi of S name, sigma are equal to both Brian Feller. Yeah, it's right. It's right, Saurabh. Your answer also right. Correct. Now understood. Remaining students, I think you people are sleeping. Is it right? Are you sleeping? Soundarya? Rule number 49, Soundarya.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you sleeping?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. You told me just now, yes, sir. You said just yes, right?
No, no, sir.
Means even you are unable to listen my question also. What I am asking. All are in sleeping mode. Saturday after lunch, heavy lunch. Hmm? You are not responding. Rakshit, rule number 547. I will clear this. He is not even responding. Soundarya, now next question you are going to solve. Okay? 549. Hello? Hello? Gone. Okay, Akshaya, 541. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question you are going to solve. The question is find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red and a green boat.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Very easy.
Pi S name,
Hmm.
bracket open, sigma color is equal to red,
Hmm.
and then bracket open, sailors,
Hmm.
joint, reserves, and boats.
Hmm. Continue. Done?
No, sir. We have one more, sir. Pi S name,
One more means? Akshay, if possible, type on chat box.
okay, sir.
Any other? Sai Kiran Reddy, number 538. Are you there? Mr. Sai Kiran Reddy. Chandana left. Equi Krishna left. Because I am asking, you are leaving from the room. Sai Kiran Reddy. No, he is not there. He is there, but he won't.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Answer. I want answer for this question. Soyamani. You also. 537.
Yes, sir.
Please. That's the answer. Otherwise, you tell. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red and a green boat. Muhammad Rafi. 532.
Sir,
Hmm. Tell me, not yes. I want answer. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red and green boat. Very easy. Actually, answer is already over. Anusha, is this right? Answer already there, right?
Sir, I didn't get you.
Hello? Sixth question answer is already, it is there or not?
only some
There
change.
Yeah, some change only, small change
Intersection.
only. Yeah, very good. Instead of union, you write intersection. That is the answer of sixth question. Yes or no?
Yes.
that
Yeah, Santosh, good. Identification is going on. Why you are not responding, Santosh? Instead of that, you tell, then only people will recognize you. Many times I told you, don't be like a sheep. Sir, please, whatever the answer you know, you must be tell. No one will ask personally. In group, they will ask, you must raise your hand, you must tell. Then only people will recognize you, people will give apostrophes. Understand? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So not only you, I am telling everyone. Akshaya is texted. What he texted? Color equal to red, sailors, giant, not giant, Akshaya, it is a giant. You are, giant means what? Is there any operation on giant? It is a giant, okay? Not only one area, Akshaya, you have written everywhere same. That is what? Okay, giant, reserves, giant, boats. What is this again?
Sir, that's intersection, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, your answer also right. Yeah, your answer also right. Okay. Now, next question. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least two boats. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least two boats. Means he has to reserve minimum two boats, not only one boat, he has to reserve minimum two boats. Tell me anyone. Can you do this? Because time is running. You are home. You try it. Anything is there, I will tell you. The eighth question is, the seventh question is, find the names of sailors who have reserved at least two boats. Your question is very simple. Even I told you, your minimum two boats. The sailor has to reserve minimum two boats, not for single boat. He has to reserve two or more boats. So that is what you have to display. Question is clear? Question is clear. Hello? 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 This voice is audible?
It's audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question is clear?
Clear.
The question is okay, but how to implement that at least two boats means how to write it, sir?
Yeah, that is what you have to do it. How to write means?
Like I didn't get anything, sir. Like how to write. Even I have not
Here,
attempted that question, sir.
yeah, I will tell you. Here now sailors who have reserved at least two boats means he has to check check results. Can you get any idea of this information from here? From here you can solve if you observe. Really, if you observe, you can get the idea. Hello?
This idea.
Hmm? Hello? Please observe those two columns, then you can get the idea. You try it. If you not solving, then I will tell you the answer. Don't worry. Okay? Because
Yes,
time is
sir.
running. Yeah. Now coming to the eighth one. Find the SIDs of sailors with age over 20 who have not reserved a red boat. You try this also. So again, I am repeating the question. Find the SIDs of sailors who have sailors with age over 20 who have not reserved a red boat. So age above 20 and who have not reserved a red boat, other than red boat. Means here we have to use set difference
Conditional
operator.
join.
Set difference operator also we have to use here. Because clearly they mentioned age over 2 who have not reserved. Not reserved means we have to take all reserved minus not reserved. So you will get that. Okay. Ninth one. Please try this. Ninth one. Find the names of sailors who have reserved all boats. Means you have to find the sailor name who have reserved all boats. You try it. Next, last one. Find the names of sailors who have reserved all boats called interlinked. So these things are somewhat actually, if you confusing, but if you observe the relations, you will get the idea. Here, here, how the things are happening. Here, how there are more than 2 times. Then how we can extract that exact information from the table? You work out on that, then you can get the idea so that you can prepare the table. Once you can understand these queries, then you can solve any problem in even the SQL also. Okay? Can you do this? Can you do this? Because even 2 days I have taken for this exercise only. Hello? Can you do that?
Sir, we will try.
Yeah, please try. If anything is there, I will give the solution. Don't worry. Okay. Your next class, we will discuss relational calculus. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. It's time.